Alright guys, so these are the basic instructions that come with the plane. What you got is the remote and the main plane. Not a whole lot of complicated stuff or electronics. And it is bigger than I expected, which is awesome. And hopefully it'll be easy to get started or up and running. Now, the first thing that I noticed is that it's very well packaged. They put all these bits and pieces of foam to stop it from moving around. The plane itself looks pretty sturdy. There's no... Oh, maybe there is up and down. Maybe these things right here will go up and down. It looks like they could move. I don't want to touch anything and break anything. But yeah, it looks like right here, this will allow this back part to go up and down. And that is very cool. In the next part, we'll go more into details about this, but thanks for watching.